Hey, it's Jason here with another video for you. If you have a P0121 code, it's P0121 throttle body position sensor performance code. This is 100% guaranteed fix for that code for any GM vehicle. So here we go. On this one, as you can see, I removed this air intake right here. And this is the culprit. This is your throttle body right here. So what we're going to do, and another warning, do not do this if you do not have a computer or one of the high-tech scanners where you get into the ECM module and reset the air to fuel ratio. Okay, so here we're going to take this off and I'll show you what to do next. Okay, now that I got the 4 bolts out, this is why right there at these things set that code. It's because it gets all gunked up in there. The blade can't move properly in there. Yeah, so what we're going to do is get some carburetor cleaner, a rag, and we're going to clean all this gunk out so it's nice and clean, pretty looking. So I'll be back as soon as I clean this up. Okay, I just used some carburetor cleaner, a rag, and some elbow grease. Now it's all shiny, nice and new. And I'm going to reinstall it, and then we will be on to the next step. Alright, now that I got these 4 bolts put back in, we connected the connector over here. Do not forget that. And then we're going to install the air duct right here. So that's a 9/32 screw right there. There's one more right there in the back, and then these clips to get them in and out on the side right here. You push it in to and pull to release it. Same thing, and pushing it back in, it'll just clip back in. Okay, see, just wiggle, you hear it lock in, tighten that bolt, tighten this bolt. This is your mass airflow sensor. There's 2 15mm torque screws you could take out. You could also blow off the mass airflow sensor and reinstall it. That'll also help with this code. It's not necessary, but if you're going to clean the throttle body, I might as well pop that out and clean it too. Now that I've got that all cleaned and everything, here is the important part. You got to be able to get into the vehicle's ECM. You got to go to reset and reset the throttle body. If you do not do this, see, it's open at 89% right there. I don't know if you can see it. Your truck is pretty much, that blade is 100% open almost, and it's just pulling in air. It'll cause it to overheat. It will cause it to overheat, and it will cause a high RPMs. It will cause your vehicle to surge. So when you're at stoplights, it will surge on you. When you reset it, it should go back down to 0. You should be good. Be able to start the vehicle. This will also help a rough idle. If your vehicle has a rough idle or a high idle, it will also help. So that was my video on how to fix a P0121 code on any GM or Chevy vehicle. Smash the like button down below. Please hit the subscribe button if you like this video. Leave a comment if you'd like me to see me work on something or post a video about something. Hope you enjoyed this. Till next time, thank you.